Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Cello. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be going over this little supply setup I took yesterday, 9/16. It was Friday, the last day the market was open for the week. We ended up in this position, total of 9R, and it was within, I'd say, 10-15 minutes. So let's get right into it. So what I saw when I came to the market in the morning, I saw we had some bearish pressure and then we turned bullish for the time being. But once this low got broke, so as you can see, we got the lower low here, we got a higher low, and then a higher low right here, and then you could kind of have this as liquidity, these two sitting right here. So we'll mark this like this, right? This kind of acted as liquidity, but this was the last higher low, the swing higher low. Now what happened, we didn't form a new high, we failed to form a higher high, so we made a lower high and we made another lower high after breaking this higher low right here, forming a lower low. So lower high got formed, right? Price came down, broke this higher low, formed a new lower low right here, instantly forming a new lower high, right? So now we can look for our sells down. So I'm just gonna clear all of this for the time being. Too many circles here for me. Make this quick, simple, and easy for you guys. So we had the first break structure right here, right? And then we had our continuation break structure, our confirmation break structure right here. So let's replay this and I'll show you guys what I saw while the market was live, while I was in the market, right? So this little supply got mitigated right here. So we just mark this up, mitigated at 50%. So like, okay, you know, price is going to come up here. There is really no imbalance up here, right? So what are we going to look for? We're going to look for the last unmitigated supply zone that did indeed break this lower low. So we also had imbalance right here, so we'll mark this up as imbalance, IPA, imbalance, right? Replay it. So now we also had a little bit of this liquidity, this buy side liquidity sitting right here underneath the supply zone alongside the imbalance, okay? So once again, price broke this, we're not going to mark that up, price broke this low, okay? And then we also had this liquidity sitting right here. Just to make it cleaner, like I usually do, I'm going to just put it right here, buy side liquidity. And what happens, buy side liquidity gets swept, imbalance gets fulfilled, as you can see. And what happens, we tap right into the 50% zone of our supply, and we have our stops at this low, or you could have had your stops. I did have a demand zone marked up right here with this imbalance, so you could have wrote it down right here for a 10R, almost 11R, but you know, the way I trade, I saw a major liquidity sitting right here and I knew it was going to get taken out, so I put my take profit right there. So now we're literally just going to play this out, put our TP right here, take profit, right? So once again, we were in an uptrend, we broke the uptrend to now form a downtrend. We had liquidity sitting right here underneath our supply zone, and we also had imbalance sitting right underneath the supply zone. Price taps into the 50%. It played around, it also formed even more liquidity right here. So I didn't fold, you know, I kept my stops at break even. I knew that this was going to get taken out, this liquidity sitting right here. So once price did this, I knew it was going to just head to the downside. So what happens, liquidity was formed to the upside and the downside, accumulation in the zone, price takes out the buy side liquidity right here, and then literally right after it, it tanked to the downside to our TP, fulfilling our take profit zone, and we got out with a 9R, finish for the day. Now this trade was a 20-minute trade, I think. Let me check that one more time. Yeah, 20 minutes. I usually don't like staying in the market any more than like 30 minutes. In this zone right here, I was like, damn, it could come up here and I could get stopped out at break even or a little bit above break even, a couple pips in profit. But once this formed right here, this buy side liquidity, I knew it was just going to get taken out, and we could have come up to this zone right here to drop, but this zone right here didn't break any of this, so my stops were still at break even right up here, and this buy side liquidity got taken out. And right when this started to wick and then come back down, I was like, it's wraps. This coming down here might take profit. I'm done for the day. And our demand zone was marked down here. This was the full TP, but we got out right here with the 9R. I mean, 9R is still very good. People take a full week to hit that. And as you can see, marking up this demand zone. Now what we could have done, we could have entered it here and we could have just rode it to here, but with demand zones like this, we want to ride it up to the high. But I'm just going to show you guys really quick. Price just wicked it and then it went up to the top side. So this was perfect execution. That's really for today. And also, you guys see me marking this zone up. Why? Because this candle, the down candle before the big impulse down, this was a little bit higher than this candle, so I just wanted a precise entry. I didn't want to risk getting stopped out. That's really it. If your candle, if the down candle before the big candle for the impulse is a little bit higher and it's smaller than the up candle, right, just mark up the down candle. But that's it. Once again, 9R, Friday's trade. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was just a simple continuation supply setup mixed with a couple confluences. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys want mentorship, click the link in the description, RROPcourse.com. Go check out my Instagram, SMCJello, same as my YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, share, leave any comments down below. Let me know what you guys want me to cover. I got a lot of videos to cover, a lot of topics to cover. So whatever you guys are confused on, just let me know. Once again, if you want mentorship, click the link in the description. Check out my Instagram, link in there. That's really it. Once again, Discord's out. Gonna be, let's see, the Discord's coming out, I think, next Friday. So that will be the 23rd, or it'll be out the 25th of September. So all of the students that did purchase the course, they are getting early access the day before this video comes out. So if you guys want early access, click the link in the description. I got the bundle in there. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm out. Peace.